Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Herkese merhaba, ben Seda. Hi everybody, my name is Seda. Welcome to turkishclass101.com. In this video, I will talk about conjunctive adverbs. Bağlaçlar. Bağlaçlar. A conjunctive adverb connects two independent clauses or sentences. You can take them out of the sentence and the sentence doesn't lose the meaning but loses its complication. They make your speech more sophisticated. Are you guys ready to learn bağlaçlar? Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? This will make your speech more sophisticated. Okay, then without further ado, let's start. First, let's talk about the ones that give the meaning of opposition. Okay? These connect two or more opposite expressions in a sentence or connect contradicting sentences together. Most common ones are ama, lakin, yalnız, ancak, oysa, oysaki, halbuki, fakat. These mean all but, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, etc. Okay? They have different kind of feelings, but mostly you can use them interchangeably and you can translate them as it is. There's not much a difference. Let's give some examples. Onu seviyorum ama o beni sevmiyor. I love him, but he doesn't love me back. Onu seviyorum ama o beni sevmiyor. You can take ama out and add one of the others here. The sentence will mean the same. Halbuki, oysa, whatever, same. Çok çalışıyorum ancak başaramıyorum. I work so hard, however, I cannot succeed. Çok çalışıyorum ancak başaramıyorum. Çok çalışıyorum ancak başaramıyorum. Selen gelmedi, halbuki onu da aramıştım. Selen didn't come, however, I called her as well. Selen gelmedi, halbuki onu da aramıştım. Halbuki onu da aramıştım. 5 saat bekledi. Ancak içeri girmedi. He waited for 5 hours but couldn't get in. 5 saat bekledi ancak içeri giremedi. Okay, reasoning. These were the examples. Let's move on with our reasoning conjunctions, okay? These indicate reason for the action taken. Some of these conjunctive adverbs are çünkü. This means something like because, okay? Çünkü. Zira, again, because. Zira. Bu yüzden. Therefore, bu yüzden. Bu sebeple. For this reason. Bu sebeple. Sebep means reason anyway. Bu nedenle. For this reason again. And you may know neden as why. These are very similar in meaning and they add variety to the sentence. That's why we have so many. You have options to choose one of these. Let's see some examples. Bugün işe erken gittim çünkü çok işim vardı. Today, I had to go to work early because I had a lot to do. Because. Bugün işe erken gittim çünkü çok işim vardı. Bugün işe erken gittim çünkü çok işim vardı. Eve gittim zira annem beni çağırmıştı. I went home because my mom called me. Eve gittim zira annem beni çağırmıştı. Sorry. I have to say zira is more like a literary word nowadays. Younger generation uses this less and less. You don't hear that a lot in younger generations. Okay? Ders çalışmıyor. Bu sebeple sınavı kazanacağımı sanmam. He is not studying. For this reason, I don't think he will pass the exam. Ders çalışmıyor. Bu sebeple sınavı kazanacağını sanmam. Sanmam. That's fine. Ondan pek etkilenmiş. Bu nedenle onunla tanışmak istiyor. Ondan pek etkilenmiş. Bu nedenle onunla tanışmak istiyor. She was impressed by him. For this reason, she wants to meet him. Ondan pek etkilenmiş. Bu nedenle onunla tanışmak istiyor. Okay, these were some of our examples. You can create more alternatives, of course. You can use them interchangeably. So let's move on with another group. Adding. These are used to add more information or details to our sentences instead of making lots of short sentences like with short sentence, short sentence, short sentence. We use these connect to, related points. What are the most common ones? The. This is the most common one. It means and. Ile, literally meaning with, but is also used as the same meaning as and. Ayrıca, moreover, ayrıca, dahası, furthermore, ek olarak, in addition, bu arada, meanwhile. Okay? Let's give some examples so we stick in your brains. Sen oraya git ve beni bekle. You go there and wait for me. Sen oraya git ve beni bekle. You can just say sen oraya git, beni bekle, but you connect them together. Ayşe ile Ahmet beraber yürüyorlar. Ayşe and Ahmet are walking together. Ayşe ile Ahmet beraber yürüyorlar. Literally, Ayşe with Ahmet are walking together, but it means ve in Turkish in these kind of sentences. Okay? Gördüm, ayrıca konuştum. Wow. I saw, also I spoke. Gördüm, ayrıca konuştum. Dün Özgür'ü İzmir'de gördüm. Dahası Semih de onunlaydı. Wow! Yesterday I saw Özgür in Izmir. Furthermore, Semih was also with him. Can you believe it? Dün Özgür'ü İzmir'de gördüm. Dahası Semih de onunlaydı. Okay. The next group is for giving options, okay? Some most common ones are veya, ya da, yahut, veyahut, veyahut. These all mean or, and there's no other word to describe them. That's or. Yahut and veyahut are more classy or sometimes mature way to say or. Veya and ya da are the most common ones, not very different from each other. Elma ya da armut isterim. I want a apple or a pear. Elma ya da armut isterim. You can add the other ones here and they will exactly mean the same. Okay? Elma veya armut isterim. Elma yahut armut isterim. Elma veyahut armut isterim. Same, same, same. Veyahut sound a bit dramatic to my ears. That's, I think, all the difference. Okay? Let's give more examples. Bisiklet veya motosiklet alacağım. Alacağım, we say alacağım. I will get a bicycle or motorcycle. Bisiklet veya motosiklet alacağım. Okay, we managed to come to our last group, the conclusion adverbs. You can guess these are for explaining the conclusion. You say something, then to conclude you need to add a word. This is it. For example, nihayet, finally, finally, nihayet, sonunda, in the end, at the end, something like that. Sonunda, son means end. Sonuç olarak, consequently, sonuç olarak, literally as a conclusion. Daha sonra, this is not just a conclusion, but it means then. So you can add it here. Let's see some examples, some sample sentences. Çok çalıştım ve nihayet tezimi bitirebildim. Or çok çalıştım, nihayet tezimi bitirebildim. I work hard and finally I could finish my thesis. Çok çalıştım ve nihayet tezimi bitirebildim. Okay? Another one. Peşinden koşuyordu, sonunda köpeğini yakaladı. You can translate it as she was running after her. Finally, she could catch her dog. Peşinden koşuyordu. Sonunda köpeğini yakaladı. Okay. Another one. Let's see. Ne dersen de sonuç olarak yaptığın yanlıştı. Say whatever you want. At the end, what you did was wrong. Yeah. Ne dersen de sonuç olarak yaptığın yanlıştı. Ne dersen de sonuç olarak yaptığın yanlıştı. Kabul etmiyorum. I don't accept it. Eve gidecek, daha sonra uçağını yakalamaya çalışacak. He will go home, then he will try to catch his flight. Eve gidecek, daha sonra uçağını yakalamaya çalışacak. Okay, I think these examples are enough. Of course, there are a lot of them. There are many more bağlaç out there. Try to catch them in conversations, especially when you watch a movie or something. And can you write one down, like I didn't mention, and use it in a sentence so you can practice? If you don't know anything else, you can just use these, what I just gave you, as a practice. But try to catch them in the conversations, okay? Try to take notes and try to listen how native speakers are using them. So that's why you get used to using them. Okay, that's it, guys. I will see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bye. Görüşürüz.
Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.